Victoria here. Welcome back to my channel. Today is day number 20 of my month of FlyLady cleaning and decluttering series. We are in zone 4, and I tell you what, we're going to do something completely different today. I'm going to do it in real time. We're going to spend 15 minutes doing a dresser. Now, if you have a dresser that's long, right, that has a double set of drawers, you're going to need twice the amount of time. But let's just do one side for now. My dresser is just one set of drawers, so I'm going to do 15 minutes on that. If you have, again, a dresser that's double, you need 2 times 15 minutes. But I'm going to do 15 minutes on this dresser. I'm going to empty out, not the whole thing, but I'm going to take out everything that I know I don't wear, I don't use, I don't want, doesn't belong there. 15 minutes worth of decluttering. Are you ready? Let's go. So unfortunately for you, I can't move the camera because otherwise I'm going to be spending more than 15 minutes, right? So my goal here, I'm going to talk about this a little bit while you're getting ready and moving to your bedroom. I have the hardest time getting rid of clothes. As a result, I have a closet full of garbage. It's the truth. A closet full of ill-fitting, poorly designed, cheap clothes, okay? And I really need to go through that. My big closet is going to take way more than 15 minutes. But what I really want to do, because I've decluttered quite a bit for this drawer thing here, I do have room in here, and I think I need to transport some of the stuff that's in my big closet into here so that I make room, and with the ultimate goal of getting rid of that little piece of furniture and the drawers that I have in there, because they do take room. It's not working out, okay? I put that together a year and a half ago maybe, and I said I'm going to use it and see how it works, and if it doesn't work out, off it goes. And today's the day it's going to go. Well, maybe not today, but in the next video. So what I really want to do is really utilize this in a better way, where I can find the stuff that's the first contact. And by that I mean bra, underwear, undershirts, t-shirts, socks, pants and pajamas. Anything else, it's got to go on the other side. So if I have sweaters in here, they got to go. If I have stuff that doesn't belong here, it's got to go. I'm going to start with the top, because that's perfumes and stuff, and we're just going to get going. All right, so let's put the timer on. Are you in your bedroom? I hope you are in your bedroom already. And we're going to do 15 minutes. I may have to zoom in. 15 minutes. I may have to zoom in so you can see what I'm doing here. I don't even know if you can see better. Alright, I'll move it a little bit. Okay, so let's get started. We got 15 minutes. Right. No editing. Okay, let's start with the top. The easiest. This is Allure. Look, I barely have any in it, and quite frankly, I think it's turned. I never really liked it, but I used it because I had it. So guess what? That can go. This is empty. This is, oh, I love this. Pacifica Tibetan Mountain Temple perfume. I need to find me some of that again. This was wonderful. So that can go. The Guerlain Imperial Water I'm keeping. I don't have a lot left. I'm going to put some on. Oh, I love this. I love cologne water. This is the Body Quench by Stefania. I really like this, but I tell you what I did. I only had about this much left, and I added some of my what is it? Cocoa butter oil. You know that I just showed in the other video. I added some of that, so in the morning I spray my whole body. And then this is my favorite, my Femme. It still smells good, so I'm keeping it. Okay, did that. So I got 2 perfume out. Okay, here. That's an old string that can go. Bra, single sock, tissue, single sock, pair socks. Alright, these are undershirts. Keep those. I have way more bra and underwear, okay? I'm just not showing them. They're in the laundry right now. Okay, so that's an undershirt. Okay, this has got to go. I need to stop wearing those headband things. They're terrible. Okay, we got a hair clip and a label. So that's empty. Next. Okay, t-shirt. 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 These are sleeveless t-shirts. I always wear them. These I'm keeping. This I can let go of. It's got, look at the opening on it. It's like I'm way too sexy in that thing. It's gotta go. Pajamas gotta go somewhere else. Here's a t-shirt that's Scott, so that goes to Scott. Okay. Undershirt. I'm telling you, you can do a lot in 15 minutes. This is another one of those sleeveless. And sleeveless. I'm not necessarily folding properly, I just want to get it done. This is undershirt. It's good to spend some time doing that. You know, you're putting things back where they belong. Undershirt. So that way next time around I'll find everything. Undershirt. Socks. Oh, these things, they're heinous. You remember when I used to wear those things? They're like headbands. Oh, they gotta go. I look like another headband. I look like a, there's another headband. I don't even know what I look like in that. Okay, single sock. Okay, here's a pair of sock. This is where I keep my socks. And again, I don't have a lot here because most of it is downstairs. Here's a single sock. These are horrible, they're really tight. These are horrible, they're really tight. Here's an undershirt. Okay, this big thing here takes room. That can go. I'll put the socks on top here when I put my underwear. This is a single sock again. Why do I have single socks? I don't know. This thing here I can show you the content, but it doesn't belong here. Okay. What do we have here? Okay, t-shirt. 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 That's a sweater. T-shirt, that's Scott's. Oh, look at this t-shirt. You recognize her? Yeah, that's right, that's the Red Queen. I love that t-shirt. Okay, these. Can you see that? These are like, what was I thinking? Oh, you gotta see this. I had to pose the camera for a second. Look at these. Look. These are, you can't even, I don't think you can see. These are pants that I bought. Okay, what was I thinking? I never wore them. They can go. Okay. This is stuff I brought back upstairs and it really needs to be reassorted. It's a bunch of electronics. This has no business being here. Okay, we have a sweatshirt type thing. This I really like. That's a sleeveless and that's a glove. Okay. A nail, and another nail. Don't ask. Okay. Bottom. Okay. Can you see? I know you can see the whole mess in the back. I'm still, you know, these are all the tools I use for redoing the bedroom. Okay, so here's pajama. Where did it stop? Pajama pants. That's nightgowns. That's a pajama as a set. That's a nightgown. That's a bathing suit. Okay, now we have this here. Fabric. Goes downstairs. More fabric. Goes downstairs. Oh! Was looking for that. Okay. Now what do we have here? Ah, this thing keeps opening. I need to put a band-aid. Alright, this little tiny thing, right? It's like one of those slip. Look at the size of it. This is one of those things that sucks the fat in. This is a glorious, beautiful little nightgown thing. Isn't it cute? Okay. I can guarantee you I don't fit in it anymore, but guess what? I'm keeping it because this hope. This is another one of those suck the fat. This size medium, come on. I can't fit it. That's a slip. This is a nice slip. One more of those suck the fat in. Look at the size of this thing. Like, I used to fit in things like that. Okay, come on. More suck the fat in. This one is a tube. I hate it. It rolls. Okay, this is the sexy lingerie. This is all the sexy stuff. This goes, that's an undershirt. Okay, this can stay here. Alright, so now I'm just going to put things back where they belong. Fold them proper. This can go in here. That's my bathing suit, which I haven't used in years. And you know, I'm still running the 15 minutes. You've noticed, right? It didn't ring yet. I got less than 4 minutes. So in here, what am I gonna do? This is gonna be t-shirts. I'm gonna put working t-shirts. These are the ones that I use to work, you know, do stuff around the house with. They're gonna go here, and then look at this one, is all faded. That can go. Still good. That's long sleeves. That's long sleeves. And then here are all the short sleeves. Okay. I don't have much time left. And this is a little slip thing. Camisole. So we're gonna keep that right here, since these are all the undershirts. Okay, so all I have to do is bring all my bra and underwear, and that will fit in here. And I got rid of quite a lot. You like that? I got rid of quite a lot of stuff. Look, and I have 3 minutes left. So I have, what did I get rid of? I got rid of a t-shirt, all of my suck the fat stuff. This I have to put it somewhere else. So all of this is gone. I got rid of a perfume. That's almost gone. Socks that are too tight. Headband. Mini slip. Stuff that's way too sexy for me. And all of that here. And then over here, I'll let go of that pair of pants. That's just ridiculous. Right? And then this. So can you imagine 15 minutes? That's all I did. Can you believe it? I did all of that in less than 15 minutes. I got 2 minutes left. So yeah, you can do it too. I hope you spend some time doing your dresser. This has got to go on the other side. This I have to relocate. And then the fabric's got to go downstairs. I'm pretty happy with this. In the next video, I will do my side table. So I hope you enjoyed this little short video with minimum editing in real time. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.